म्हादय न्हंयच्या डायव्हर्जनाक गोंयचो खर विरोध. उदक कर्नाटक डायव्हर्ट करीत जाल्यार गोंयांक व्हड समस्येक तोंड दिवचें पडटलें म्हूण भंय. कर्नाटकाचो मंत्री गोंयांत काँग्रेसीच्या राष्ट्राध्यक्ष खर्गेच्या बसकेक गोंयांत आयिल्ले कडेन मिडिया कडेन कितें उलयता आयकात.
How this issue will be resolved?
It is an interstate dispute, not from today. It should be solved bilaterally in a friendly manner. Brotherly states should solve the problem. It is for the drinking water purpose.
So where is the delay then? Where is the delay?
It is in the court, no? Rain is too much. Can we hold that water?
That is as part of
It
the
is
natural environment.
natural
business.
environmental issue. Likewise, when the drought issue is there, we are begging the neighboring state, brotherly state. We are in India.
But why?
We have to share the problems also.
But why it cannot be discussed at the government level then?
See, it is all bilateral discussions are going on. It is a three-state issue. It should be resolved from the Honorable Supreme Court. The need of the water, they will start talking on that. See, we are facing too much of problem for the drinking water purpose. Sometimes we will get it, sometimes we will not.
मजगती म्हादय उपरांत तिळाळीचे उदक कर्नाटक व्हरूंक सोदता म्हूण बोळ आसा. हे विशीं WRD मंत्री सुभाष शिरोडकराक विचारल्यार तो सांगता हे शक्य ना.
सध्या तिळाचे उदक जे आहा पळय न्ही ते बेळगांव कितें तरी हे करपाक सोदता.
4.5 वर्सां लोक म्हाका विचारताले म्हादई संबंदी. म्हादई संबंदी अजून पान हालूं ना, कारण मॅटर इज द कोर्ट. तिळारी संबंदी तें कितें उलयतात पळय न्ही तें कांय जावचें ना. हांव क्लियर सांगता, कित्याक म्हजो अनुभव जो आसा पळय शासना भितर आनी अशा प्रकारच्या प्रकरणां भितर कांय जावचें ना.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.